or more stupid than the other?
May nakita akong maraming kulang sa BICAM report. Yung Bicameral Conference Committee report, pinirmahan kahit may mga nakikita tayong blanco. These are not, I would say, ordinary figures because these figures will reach to billions of pesos. So maraming pages ito na ganito.
Pagka ganon, there's something terribly wrong. And as a matter of fact, I would say, kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation. Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget. Hindi na pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. Ano ka man? I would like to remind Congress, mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it. You cannot pass an incomplete appropriation or bill for that matter, whatever.